Welcome to the next lecture of SQL full course series. Here in this lecture we will discuss the types of SQL commands. SQL commands are classified in the following heads: DDL, DML, TCL, DQL and DCL. We will discuss all these commands in detail in this lecture. The first one is DDL, Data Definition Language. Data definition commands are used to define and manage the structure of the database objects. Database objects means tables, views, procedures, etc. The database objects. And their structure means the columns and their data types are their structures. Now we can create these objects using this create command. And if we want to add some column or change the data type, we can alter this structure using this alter command. And if we want to delete the entire table or view from the database, we can use this drop command. If we want to change the name of these objects, we can use rename command. And this command is used to add explanation to the SQL code, means for what purpose the code is written. And this truncate command is used to remove the data from the table without deleting the table. The next category is DML, Data Manipulation Language. The commands are used to manipulate the stored data in the database tables. The insert command is used to insert data or the records into a table. And the update command is used to change the existing data in a table. And this delete command is used to delete particular records from a database table that is based on some condition. The next category is DCL, Data Control Language. These commands are used to give rights or the permission and other controls of the database system to any user. And to take control back from the user, we use revoke command. The next is TCL, Transaction Control Language. Here the transactions group a set of tasks into a single execution unit. Means there are many transactions, SQL transactions in a group, and the group is considered as a single unit. Each group begins with the begin statements. In the each transactions in the group begins with a specific task and ends when all the tasks in the group are successfully completed. So there will be two results: only success and failure. If all the transactions succeeds, executes successfully, then the result is success, means all the changes will be made. And if any of the statement in the group fails, then the result is failure, so means nothing is updated or saved. And these are the commands that are used in the transaction. Each group in the transaction begins with the begin transaction, and commit means all the changes are saved permanently. Rollback means if there is something went wrong, means roll back, undo all the changes made during the transactions. And save point is a checkpoint in the transaction. The next is DQL, Data Query Language. DQL is used to fetch data from the database table, and the most popular or the most common command that is used to retrieve data from the database is the select command. That's all for this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press bell icon to stay updated with upcoming SQL videos. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video.